This video is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. It is created solely for educational purposes to help viewers expand their automotive knowledge and prepare for ASE-style topics. For official information, study materials, and certification details, please refer directly to ASE.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really helpful lined up for you. 50 practice multiple-choice questions to test your knowledge and help you study smarter. Whether you're brushing up for an exam, preparing for a certification, or just wanting to strengthen your automotive skills, this video is designed to guide you step by step. Grab a notebook, follow along, and see how many you can get right. Let's dive in and start learning together.
1. When measuring current flow with a DMM, the meter must be A. Connected in parallel with the circuit. B. Connected in series with the circuit. C. Connected to ground only. D. Connected across the fuse. Answer: B. Connected in series with the circuit. Explanation: ammeters measure current by being part of the circuit path. 2. A vehicle's turn signals flash rapidly on one side. What is most likely? A. Short to power. B. Open ground. C. Burned out bulb. D. Faulty flasher relay. Answer: C. Burned out bulb. Explanation: when one bulb fails, resistance drops, causing faster flash rate. 3. Technician A says a poor alternator ground can cause low output. Technician B says it can cause overcharging. Who is correct? A. Only. B. Only. C. Both. D. Neither. Answer: A. Only. Explanation: a poor ground limits return current and lowers alternator output. 4. When testing continuity, the DMM should be set to A. Volts. B. Ohms. C. Amps. D. Hertz. Answer: B. Ohms. Explanation: continuity checks measure resistance. Ohms. 5. A 10A fuse blows immediately when the blower is turned to high speed. What is most likely? A. Blower motor shorted. B. Open ground. C. Faulty resistor pack. D. A loose switch terminal. Answer: A. Blower motor shorted. Explanation: high speed bypasses resistors. Shorted motor causes overcurrent.
6. A fully charged 12-volt battery reads 12.6 volts. At 75% charge, it should read approximately A. 11.8 volts, B. 12.4 volts, C. 12.2 volts, or D. 12.8 volts. Answer: C. 12.2 volts. Explanation: each 0.2 volt drop represents roughly 25% loss of charge. 7. Technician A says voltage drop tests should be done with the circuit operating. Technician B says voltage drop should be 0 across a closed switch. Who is correct? A. A only. B. B only. C. Both. Or D. Neither. Answer: C. Both. Explanation: voltage drop tests require load. Closed switches should have no measurable drop. 8. Which of the following components changes AC to DC? A. Diode. B. Transistor. C. Capacitor. Or D. Resistor. Answer: A. Diode. Explanation: rectifier diodes convert AC alternator current to DC. 9. A headlight is dim but receives full voltage. What's most likely? A. Corroded ground. B. Open filament. C. Weak alternator. Or D. High charging voltage. Answer: A. Corroded ground. Explanation: Voltage present but poor ground limits current flow. 10. Which unit measures electrical pressure? A. Ampere, B. Volt, C. Ohm, or D. Watt? Answer: B. Volt. Explanation: voltage represents electrical potential difference.
11. A fuse rated at 15A carries 10A continuously. Is this acceptable? A. No, fuse should match current exactly. B. No, fuse will blow immediately. C. Yes, it is below rating. D. Only if voltage is under 5 volts. Answer: C. Yes, it is below rating. Explanation: fuse protects up to its rating. 10A on 15A fuse is safe. 12. A parasitic draw test shows 80 milliamps. What's the likely issue? A. Normal draw. B. Slightly excessive. C. Severe drain. D. Open battery cable. Answer: B. Slightly excessive. Explanation: normal is 20 to 50 milliamps. 80 milliamps is borderline high. 13. A technician finds a relay has 12 volts on both sides of the control coil, but no click. Cause: A. Open coil. B. Shorted switch. C. Missing power feed. D. Blown fuse. Answer: A. Open coil. Explanation: voltage on both sides means no current through coil. 14. A corroded battery terminal causes A. Low charging voltage. B. High charging voltage. C. Excess current flow. D. Battery drain. Answer: A. Low charging voltage. Explanation: corrosion adds resistance, reducing charging efficiency. 15. Which of the following is a non-contact sensor? A. Hall effect. B. Thermistor. C. Potentiometer. D. Switch. Answer: A. Hall effect. Explanation: Hall sensors detect magnetic fields without physical contact.
16. A 10-ohm resistor has 2 amps through it. What's the voltage drop? A. 5 volts. B. 10 volts. C. 15 volts. D. 20 volts. Answer: D. 20 volts. Explanation: V equals I times R equals 2 times 10 equals 20 volts. 17. A ground strap between engine and chassis is open. What symptom may appear? A. Slow cranking. B. Overcharging. C. Blown headlight fuses. D. Spark knock. Answer: A. Slow cranking. Explanation: current cannot return efficiently to the battery negative. 18. Which of the following is a characteristic of a short to voltage? A. Circuit won't turn off. B. Circuit draws no current. C. Circuit is open. D. Fuse never blows. Answer: A. Circuit won't turn off. Explanation: unwanted power keeps the component energized. 19. Technician A says open circuits have infinite resistance. Technician B says short circuits have 0 resistance. Who is correct? A only. B only. C. Both. D. Neither. Answer: C. Both. Explanation: open equals infinite resistance. Short equals 0 resistance. 20. A driver says the dash lights brighten with engine speed. What's most likely? A. Bad regulator. B. Shorted diode. C. Open field circuit. D. Loose alternator belt. Answer: A. Bad regulator. Explanation: regulator not controlling voltage. Output rises with RPM.
21. A technician finds 12.6 volts at the alternator B+ terminal, but only 11.8 volts at the battery. What is this? A. normal. B, voltage drop in cable. C, weak alternator. D, low battery charge. Answer B, voltage drop in cable. Explanation: output not reaching battery fully due to resistance. 22. Which device prevents arcing when switching an inductive load? A, resistor. B, diode. C, capacitor. D, thermistor. Answer B, diode. Explanation: diodes suppress back EMF in inductive circuits. 23. A dome light won't turn off even when doors closed. Cause: A, short to ground. B, open fuse. C, open power feed. D, weak alternator. Answer A, short to ground. Explanation: door switch grounded continuously keeps circuit closed. 24. A voltage regulator controls alternator output by regulating A, stator current. B, rotor field current. C, battery voltage directly. D, diode output. Answer B, rotor field current. Explanation: regulator adjusts field current to control charging voltage. 25. A technician measures 14.8 volts charging voltage at 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Is this normal? A, too high. B, too low. C, normal. D, alternator failure. Answer C, normal. Explanation: 14.4 to 14.8 volts is acceptable at moderate temperatures. 26. A high resistance connection will cause A, increased current flow. B, voltage drop. C, fuse to blow. D, overcharging. Answer is B, voltage drop. Resistance causes potential loss under load. 27. When measuring circuit resistance, what must be done first? A, disconnect the load. B, turn key on. C, keep power applied. D, ground the meter. Answer is A, disconnect the load. Explanation: power must be off. Load disconnected for accurate ohms reading. 28. A shorted alternator diode would cause A, no charging. B, battery drain. C, voltage spike. D, blown regulator. Answer is B, battery drain. Explanation: current flows backwards through shorted diode. 29. A battery is fully charged but won't deliver current. Cause: A, corroded terminals. B, open plates. C, sulfated battery. D, blown fuse link. Answer is B, open plates. Explanation: internally open cells prevent current flow despite voltage. 30. A relay coil draws 0.2 amps and has 60 ohms resistance. What's the supply voltage? A, 10 volts. B, 12 volts. C, 15 volts. D, 20 volts. Answer is B, 12 volts. Explanation: V equals I times R equals 0.2 times 60 equals 12 volts. 31. Technician A says a thermistor's resistance changes with temperature. Technician B says it's used in temperature sensors. Who is correct? A, A only. B, B only. C, both. D, neither. Answer C, both. Explanation: thermistors respond to temperature change and are common in sensors. 32. A scan tool shows low system voltage DTCs. Alternator tests fine. What's next? A, inspect grounds and power cables. B, replace PCM. C, replace battery. D, replace alternator again. Answer A, inspect grounds and power cables. Explanation: poor connections can cause intermittent low voltage signals. 33. A 12-volt bulb draws 2 amps. What is its resistance? A. 3 ohms, B. 6 ohms, C. 10 ohms, D. 24 ohms. Answer: B. 6 ohms. Explanation: R equals V divided by I equals 12 divided by 2 equals 6 ohms. 34. Which meter setting measures alternator ripple most accurately? A. AC volts, B. DC volts, C. Ohms, D. Duty cycle. Answer: A. AC volts. Explanation: ripple is alternating current component. 35. Technician A says a resistor limits current flow. Technician B says a resistor stores energy. Who is correct? A. A only, B. B only, C. Both, D. Neither. Answer: A. A only. Explanation: resistors reduce current and capacitors store energy.
36. A battery load test reads 8.9 volts after 15 seconds. What does this mean? A. Good battery. B. Weak battery. C. Open circuit. D. Overcharged. Answer: B. Weak battery. Explanation: should stay above 9.6 volts during load. 8.9 volts is low. 37. Technician A says digital meters can show false readings from induced voltage. Technician B says analog meters are better for pulse circuits. Who is correct? A. A only, B. B only, C. Both, D. Neither. Answer: C. Both. Explanation: inductive coupling affects digital meters. Analog meters respond slower, filtering pulses. 38. Which circuit component opposes current change? A. Capacitor, B. Inductor, C. Diode, D. Thermistor. Answer: B. Inductor. Explanation: inductors resist changes in current flow. 39. A vehicle with HID headlights has one lamp that flickers. Likely cause? A. Weak ballast, B. Bad ground, C. Faulty switch, D. Blown fuse. Answer: A. Weak ballast. Explanation: ballast maintains arc voltage. Failure causes flicker. 40. Technician A says multiplexing allows fewer wires for more data. Technician B says it increases data speed. Who is correct? A. A only, B. B only, C. Both, D. Neither. Answer: C. Both. Explanation: multiplexing reduces wiring and increases data efficiency.
41. Which condition causes radio noise during acceleration? A. Open plug wire, B. Shorted alternator diode, C. Poor ground strap, D. Weak antenna. Answer: A. Open plug wire. Explanation: ignition arcing produces radio interference. 42. A generator light stays on with key off. What's likely? A. Shorted diode trio, B. Open field circuit, C. Blown bulb, D. Broken belt. Answer: A. Shorted diode trio. Explanation: current backfeeds through shorted diodes when key is off. 43. A technician measures 0.3 volt drop on ground side of starter circuit during crank. Is this normal? A. Yes, acceptable, B. No, too high, C. No, too low, D. Indicates open circuit. Answer: A. Yes, acceptable. Explanation: less than 0.5 volt drop on ground side is normal. 44. Which system uses a pulse generator to create timing signals? A. Ignition, B. Fuel pump, C. Charging, D. HVAC blower. Answer A. Ignition. Explanation: crank and cam sensors generate pulses for ignition timing. 45. A circuit with a loose connection may show A. High resistance intermittently, B. Low resistance continuously, C. Overcurrent, D. Constant short. Answer A. High resistance intermittently. Explanation: loose terminals fluctuate between open and resistive.
46th. Which type of battery uses a gel electrolyte? A. Flooded cell. B. AGM. C. Gel cell. D. Lithium ion. Answer C. Gel cell. Explanation: gel cells use silica-based gel electrolyte. 47. A fully charged battery reads 12.6 volts, but voltage drops to 10 volts after sitting overnight. What's the cause? A. Parasitic draw. B. Weak alternator. C. Corroded terminals. D. Faulting voltmeter. Answer A. Parasitic draw. Explanation: unwanted current flow discharges the battery. 48. Technician A says AC ripple can damage modules. Technician B says ripple indicates a bad diode. Who is correct? A. Only. B. Only. C. Both. D. Neither. Answer C. Both. Explanation: ripple stresses electronics and is caused by bad diodes. 49. A vehicle's electrical system voltage reads 5 volts reference and 0 volts signal return. This indicates A. Open sensor ground. B. Short to voltage. C. Normal reading. D. High resistance signal wire. Answer A. Open sensor ground. Explanation: ground open forces signal low. 50. A vehicle's electrical system voltage reads 15.8 volts at idle. What's the likely cause? A. Regulator failure. B. Weak alternator. C. Low battery. D. High load. Answer A. Regulator failure. Explanation: excessive voltage shows regulator stuck on or failed. Thanks so much for studying with us today. I hope these practice questions helped boost your confidence and sharpen your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next study session. You can click the links on screen right now to watch another study video and keep your learning going. I'll see you over there.